What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Jacob, and today, ladies and gentlemen, I am unboxing the Elgato 6-panel Stream Deck. I received this in the mail. I went ahead and took the top off the box because it had like painful plastic. But anyway, as we pull out this, I'm trying to use one hand because I got to hold the camera with the other. So, let's see. Let me pull it out of here. Maybe. It has another box with it. In the box, you get a book. And you know, it's very weird because, like, I've never seen an unboxing of this. I've looked everywhere. I've seen people, like, unbox it and then review it. But, like, not like an actual unboxing. They unbox it. You got another book here. Probably tells you how to hook up everything. But yeah, I've never really seen an actual unboxing. I've always only seen the, where people open it. And then, here's your Stream Deck. Oh my goodness, this thing is so tiny. I thought this thing was going to be bigger. Hold up. Let me show you guys this. So here's the Stream Deck. And then here's my hand holding the Stream Deck. You see that, guys? It's literally the size of my hand. And the inside of the box, other box, that's all you get is your Stream Deck. But, ladies and gentlemen, with that being said, if you did like the video, please leave a thumbs up. If you want to see a full review of this, let me know down in the comments section down below. And show your friends, like, and subscribe. And with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, I will see you guys next time. Peace.